Angelina, with the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver.
Y'all, so I am about to get my lashes done. I am going to a lash tech my sister goes to, or we used to go to consistently, so I'm excited. I want to get like cat eye volume. I'm here for it. It's been a while since I got my lashes done. Since the last time I tried to go to an island like Puerto Rico, so it's gonna be nice to have my lashes done. I've been doing strips for the last couple of months, so I'm looking forward to my lashes getting done today. And it's been a good start. I'm on time. I did have to take an Uber, but it's fine. Yeah, and I got a green juice, and I have a fake bar in my bag, so that I can stay healthy and slim. My stomach kind of looking nice, though. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I think she's coming out right now, yeah. So I'm about to start my last session.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just put the record.
Hey y'all, so I just finished getting my lashes done. Don't mind my leave out, y'all. It's about to get pressed out, and I gotta figure out how to like wrap it because this is looking crazy. And the way I wrap it, I guess is not the right way to wrap hair, but I'll be trying. But I just finished my lashes. I showed y'all in the other clip, so I'm not gonna take my glasses off without outside. But I'm so excited. These are like exactly how I like my lashes to look. Exactly. And she did it within 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. Cause y'all, no offense, the last girl I used to go to get my lashes done, she used to take like 6 hours, 5 hours to do it. And it's like I have to block out time to get my lashes done. It's great that my lashes only took an hour and a half, not even 2 hours. And we were talking while she was doing my lashes, so it's kind of a nice thing. It's just cool. Like, I really like her. I'm definitely gonna come back in the future if I travel and get my lashes done. Maybe not right away, but in the future. I just finished packing my locker. This is my locker. I just packed the remainder, and I threw away fabric scraps that I did not need. It's gonna be my last day walking through the halls as an FIT student. I mean, it's kind of nice to complete this ending and like start a new beginning, y'all. But it's done. So I packed everything, and the things that I do need, I packed. I just put all the drafts that I had over the last 2 years in the year. It was mostly stuff from first semester, honestly. And then I found 2 rolls of paper that was like sitting in the hallway. People are like leaving things. I did that at one point. I left like fabrics. You could leave like fabric. Somebody who is in need will take it. And after this, I will be getting access to free paper. In my program, we were getting free paper through our tuition. So the program would buy it for us. It's a blessing to have found it.
You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm about to buy mess up.
I just got my eyebrows started. It looks really good. Look at the lashes and the brows looking good together. I am ready for this wax to start. Like, oh my god, I love it when I have my lashes done, bro. Like, I love it when I get my lashes done. Look how good I look, bro. Look how good I look. And my brows look good. I don't think I gotta do makeup. Nothing. Just make sure my skin on point. Even though I've been neglecting it, make sure my skin is on point. But this is the last thing of the day. Once I get this wax, I'm gonna be in the pain for 15. I'm dragging it the next 8 minutes, but it's alright. My vagina gonna look good. Yes, that was the most painfulest. I haven't had a wax in a while. That's why I forgot how painful it was. It wasn't that bad, but it was still bad, y'all. I couldn't even film. I was filming at one point my waxes, like for my maintenance videos, but I couldn't film today, y'all. That's how painful I was. Painful I was in. But I'm glad it's over. And I did a sensitive wax, but I'm glad it's over. I'm glad it's over. I'm glad it's over. I'm gonna head off to home now.
Just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just done just. Just put the record. Just put the record. If they like with the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up.
Hey y'all, I just fixed my little wrap. It was just looking crazy. Hey y'all, so it's Tuesday. I just got my nails done. While I was getting my nails done, the 3 hours, I was watching some movies, but it was making me think about really what I want to do for the future. This is a maintenance vlog for my graduation, by the way, and my Miami trip. I'm going to Miami, dams. I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna watch Hunger Games. I'm gonna try to edit on my computer a little bit, give myself like an hour here and then go back outside. And I need to go to Whole Foods and drop off my package, and I also want to try on Shein packages that I got. I might not show them on, I'm not gonna show them on here. Maybe I should. Should I show you stuff? I got some Shein stuff and I got some stuff from Amazon. I'm gonna return things that don't look right. If they do look right, I'll keep it and wear it for the future. I bought 2 graduation dresses from Amazon. I tried one of them on last week, but I'm gonna stop talking, y'all, and I'm gonna get to what I gotta do.
Girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want you. Shady not this kind thing with tomato, oh no.
Hey y'all, so I just got dressed. I'm wearing some jeans, and I put on some sandals because I'm showing my French tips, my French toes. I'm gonna head out to get, oh my god, it's like hair sticking out. That's not my, I know I have like sideburn hair, but that's not my sideburn hair. That's literally hair from my head. I'm gonna head out to the Dominican salon to get the washing set, and I want them to hopefully I'm not in there for hours, but I want them to give me curls just like how I had it. So you guys will see me at the hair salon.
Let me tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top of me. I'm delighted. You know, some of us are ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like one.
Good morning, y'all. What's up? So it is graduation day. I feel like I could be more excited, but I feel like I already graduated because I put the work in. I did the work. It's done. So I'm waiting for my mom to come out the shower so I can take my shower next. I was packing a little bit more this morning. I found my shoes that I want to wear for my trip and for today. So yeah, I want to kind of pack my makeup as well today while I wait. If there's a waiting period, but I'm just gonna probably do my makeup in this living room for now, or in the bathroom, like back and forth in between the bathroom. I'm gonna just do a minimal makeup, nothing too major. I already have lashes on, so I'm just gonna do brows and mostly face makeup, and that's it. I feel like I have a lot of packing to do, although everything is here. Everything's in my bag. I'm just a little nervous about certain things, but everything is in my bag. I'm like trying to make sure that everything is in my bag. Bringing all these handbags might not be realistic, to be honest. I want to look cute, but it's not possible with these 2 days and all that. I mean, I could bring a bag for tomorrow and for Monday. But for Saturday and Sunday, especially late in the day, it might be risky try to like, especially Saturday, like there's no break that we're gonna go back home. Like take these next 2 hours to get ready. It's 9:49. So take these 2 hours to get ready and I should be fine. I'm gonna try to take a quick shower. Like my hair, when I woke up and I checked, it is starting to revert back. Like it's kind of, but I'm gonna just put a hot comb to it at the roots especially, because she told me that I should have told her that I was going to Miami, the hairstylist, and she's like, I would have put something, you know, for humidity. She's like, it's too late now, you can't put it on dry hair. And it's like, I heard that too, you can't put certain products on dry hair. I'm not gonna even put any more product. Like I'm gonna just put heat to it, because she put a lot of oil on my hair yesterday too when she was like doing it on the drying phase, and it looks really nice. Like the blowout really gave, like it's not styled as it would be styled if I went to my stylist, because she doesn't do edges, but she just like makes sure it gets, you know, and then they do what they had to do, because they don't want to overbuild product on my head. I feel like when you go to these Instagram hairstylists, not because I love them, but I do think they put a lot of product to the point that when it's time to do your hair, you have to wash it the following week, because there's so much buildup, like the wax stick, all these heavy sprays and all that. And I'm telling you, that's why I didn't want to put product on my hair, because I felt like the more product you add, the more your hair is weighing. Like right now, my hair only has she used a Chi hair protector, and then she used the Babyliss hot flat iron, and she used a curling wand. I guess it's a professional grade curling iron and a professional grade blow dryer. But yeah, I can't really see my hair. Let me show y'all a little peek. It's a little frizzy, a little. It's not looking like yesterday, but it is definitely straight enough. It's straight enough. I'm just gonna put a hot comb to here. It's probably humid. It was hot last night. This part is not that important, but I'm gonna try to be mindful with the edge control and the hot, like putting matte product. Just gonna use the edge control and that's it. Probably put some hairspray on my curls, but nothing more than that. All right, y'all, I've been talking for a minute. I'm gonna get ready soon. Not gonna do a get ready on me. It's the same makeup I always do, so.
Asking you to shift your tassel from the right to the left. You are now official.
Alright, y'all. So right now we're gonna take some pictures at the Conservancy Garden. It's like a part of the Botanical Garden / a part of Central Park. So yeah, I just fixed my hair, fixed my lips. So much New York background noise, as usual. People on the phone, police car. Thank you. But yeah, I am gonna take my pictures. I don't want to take too long. It's like 10 minutes. Get a couple of 5 shots. If I get 5 shots, I'm good with that, y'all. I'm good with that. I really don't care. I try not to like overdo it with fiddles now if they don't come out that nice. I even show you my outfit without the gown. It's like this dress.
Let's take one that's just the cap and you're holding it like this. Yeah. You don't have to.
Oh, my hair looks so nice. I'm just nervous about doing the pin curls myself. But I'll probably just use that one rod that I got from Amazon to make it look good.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey,
Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in